In the second tab you see the restore history. This gives you an overview of all the restores which have been performed in the past for this tenant. You can see the start date and hour, which user initiated the restore, and the object type of the restore. The activity column shows how many items were processed, and the last column shows the state of the restore. This can be either stopped or still busy, or an error when something goes wrong. You can click on each line to fetch the details of that specific restore action. In this detailed view, you can even click further to get the most detailed information on a line-per-line basis. This will give you the full details and insights which are available for every object that was restored. This can be very helpful for auditing and traceability of restores. All the contents in this screen are easily exportable to CSV file format. Just click Export Results to CSV to get all the data in a readable CSV file format.